Assalamu alaikum Nazreen. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rahi Ki Art. How are you to all of you? Today I am teach you how to make L'Oreal for jewelry making. Show this for jewelry making. I have some need of one cutter like this and one nose pillar like this. See, and some fuse wire for making L'Oreal, and we have some need of for this bead. Show this beads. This bead size is 4 mm size. See, like this. Now I am start to make L'Oreal. First of all, I cut down this wire like this, and this is side also I cut like this, and I cut also this like this, like this. This L'Oreal making is very easy. This is no difficulties. Everything is easy. Show this. I pour this wire like this. Show. And this wire full nose pillar use. I use this nose pillar and show this. This is very easy. Very easily. Okay. Now I will make next. We can use this L'Oreal for earring making, necklace, designer Mangal Sutra, and paper jewelry, quilling jewelry,